Are you looking for the best hybrid golf clubs? In this video we will look at some of the best hybrid golf clubs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Pinemeadow Golf Men's XL Hybrid Club. Those who are on a budget will love Pinemeadow XL EG Hybrids. It is one of the most affordable of the products included in our list, making it a great choice for new golfers. Despite being affordable, it boasts of a plethora of exceptional features. One thing that you will love is its versatility. It is available in 8 loft sizes: 19, 22, 25, 28, 32, 36, 40, and 45 degrees. This means that there is something for everyone depending on the loft angle that you prefer. The big sweet spot is another reason why this is amongst our recommendations for the best hybrid for high handicapper. With the wider sweet spot, it will be more forgiving in off-center shots. There is a higher chance that you will be hitting the ball and send it to the direction where you want it to head. Another notable feature that you will find in this product is its graphite shaft. To make it even better, the shaft is paired with a stainless steel club head. Although, some people might not like how the latter adds quite a weight to the club. Lastly, we also like how it comes with a head cover. The latter will protect the club during transit and storage. It will be easier to preserve the best appearance of your hybrids even after a long time of use. Pros: affordable, durable graphite shaft, forgiving on off-center hits. Cons: paint chips easily. Number 2. Cobra Golf 2019 F9 Men's Speedback Hybrid. Cobra F9 Hybrid features a sleek black crown with orange and matte black accents. You can adjust the drive to change the angle of the loft and face to suit your chosen draw, fade tendency, and neutral. It features a fixed weight that pushes the gravity center back for increased launch and forgiveness. This helps the golfer hit the ball higher, one which holds its line better. Its rail system features steeper or shallower rails, depending on the golf club placed on its sole to add more bounce. The rails change based on the loft, thus allowing for consistent performance across various lies. It also improves turf interaction to decrease the risk of digging, shanks, and skulls. It features 8 adjustable loft settings to allow you to fine-tune your chosen launch. Cobra continues to make even better clubs that benefit the average golfer every year. The baffler rails under this hybrid have been used by them in the past and actually, surprisingly, do work. They run parallel to each other on the sole and are intended to glide through turf, so you don't get those shots where you hit it a little fat and the iron digs into the ground, leaving a major duff. This is great news not only for tee shots, but also the trickiest part of hybrids, hitting them off the fairways. Pros: adjustable loft settings allow you to fade or draw. Rail system for increased performance on different lies. Launch and forgiveness abilities. Cons: tool for changing the loft is not included. Number 3. Callaway Golf Men's Rogue X Hybrid. The Callaway Men's XI Hybrid is from one of the most reputable manufacturers in the market, so that is already a compelling reason to choose this product over its competitors. It is packed with innovations that will make this club exceptional. One of the best features is the next generation forged hyperspeed face cup. This is the one responsible for providing increased ball speed. It will improve the distance that the ball can travel even if you are not an aggressive swinger. The re-engineered internal standing wave is another great feature of this top pick for golf clubs for high handicappers. It improves the design of the face cup so that it can increase ball speed. Most beginners will be happy with this as it adds power in every shot. It is also notable because of its well-designed grip. When you are holding this hybrid club, you can be confident that you will remain comfortable. It does not exert unnecessary strain on your hand or wrist. Even if you are playing for a long time, your comfort will not be compromised. As one of the best game improvement hybrids, We love how user-friendly it is. It will be effortless to swing and hit the ball. As mentioned above, you can also hold it easily. Pros: good playability. Stylish matte black finish. Provides articulate feedback. Cons: does not come with a head cover. Number 4. TaylorMade Men's M2 Rescue Club. Looking for the perfect replacement for a long iron? The TaylorMade Men's M2 Rescue Club is one of the most promising products. It is expensive, but do not let the price discourage you from choosing this product. It is packed with innovative features that will make this hybrid club deliver the best value for every dollar. One of the most notable features of this golf club is joystick technology. The latter mixes the benefits of advanced geometry and sound engineering. With the latter, the club comes with a sunken sole. This also gives it a larger face, which is what will increase the sweet spot. There are also external sound ribs, which will manage vibration and noise for better feedback after swinging the club. The newer and longer speed pocket is another feature praised by many users of this option for the best clubs for high handicappers. It will generate improved speed and distance, which are both helpful for beginners. It is also worth noting that it has an M2 Rex shaft. The latter incorporates weights in strategic positions depending on the swing speed of the golfer. This is one of the many ways by which it is customized to fit the needs of the users. The strategic positioning of the weights will also improve the balance of the club. Pros: low center of gravity, generates excellent feedback, creates a high launch angle. Cons: expensive. Number 5. TaylorMade M3 Hybrid Rescue Club. The TaylorMade Golf M6 Rescue Hybrid Club 3H is from a reputable company, so it is hard to be not tempted to choose this product. One of the top candidates for the best golf clubs for high handicap. The price can be a drawback for some. It is expensive, and this can be a hindrance to many people, especially novices. The cost, however, is easy to justify. One feature that will make it worth every dollar you will be spending is the twist face technology. This is a notable innovation that will help improve the accuracy of your shots, even as a newbie. This is also the one responsible for making your shots longer and straighter. Another good thing about this golf club is steel body construction. It adds a bit of weight to the hybrid, but that should not be a big issue. Steel lowers the center of gravity, which promotes the higher launch of the ball. It also has advanced speed pocket design. The slotted insert improves turf interaction, resulting in improved performance. The shaft is also impressive. One of its best features is the high inertia tip. This maximizes the energy generated in every swing. The shaft also incorporates carbon fiber in its construction. This high-end material helps in improving stability and strength. It also gives the shaft a more responsive flex. Pros: thin and fast face, durable construction, good off-center performance. Cons: lacks bite. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.